Saint Paul gave us an excellent tips how to become joyful. Pakitapik naman ang katabi, sabihin mo, be joyful naman. Ngumiti ka naman. Ayan, no? Rejoice. Ano ang sabi ni Saint Paul? In 1 Thessalonians 5 verses 16 to 24. Isa buhay po natin to, isa puso, isa isip, isa buhay. Do we want to be joyful? Number 1. Eh di kung gusto mong maging masaya, ay di magsaya ka always. Amen? There is that mind conditioning in psychology which is called act as if. Maski malungkot ka, maski iniwan ka, maski yung mahal mo may mahal na iba, pakita mong act as if. O di ba? Masaya ka. O dito, rejoice always. Amen? Pangalawa, give thanks in all circumstances.